and that's the sperm coming in. That's Trina's sperm.
Okay, and then fertilize. This is the hard part. What is it?
It's just that outer coating. He said where no other sperm can get in.
Okay, and this is just the vision all the way up to your cleavage. And
More cleavage.
yeah, did you go to this one?
Uh-huh.
And there's the embryo, right?
Uh-huh.
There's the uterus. And this is the yolk. Okay.
You're not getting all the details, but we're doing it.
And there's the embryology and the yolk. And what did we say? This was the choreo and a...
How do you repeat it? And I don't remember it being...
Choreo and a...
Alan?
Choreo...
Alan?
Alan...
Yeah. Sure.
This?
Yep. Hey, you're going to wind up on YouTube now.
And you take it from here.
Well, I can't just join in progress here.
And these are the things that and this over here is the mother.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the vascularization as the blood vessels are growing into the uterine tissue. And I'll let you take over again. And again, this is stuff that after the afterbirth portion, after you have the... Hold on, you guys. Actually, when that comes out, this is again going to rip out of the uterus. It's all that fun stuff. Lots of blood, gore. And then the next stage, so this outer layer would be the... Yeah, chorioallantoic layer out there, and again, in us males, it's fused to the corneon, so it's hard to tell them apart. This inner membrane would be the amnion, and this would be the yolk. Yep, you got it. And so this is your embryo, and that would be your gill slits, postnatal tail, heart, etc. And those are the somites, which are again going to become vertebral column eventually, and the muscles associated with it. Oh, somites? Yeah, so this is basically that segmentation. I did that segmentation down the back. Yep. And that's that.
So human embryos have yolk too, huh?
Yeah, we do. And again, it's going to become blood cells, stuff like this in us, but it's not as important. I mean, you're getting most of your nutrition from that point. And there's an embryo a little further along. This postnatal tail, the little limbs.
Flippers.
Yeah, flippers. By that point, they'll actually, the limb buds should differentiate. And I think it's called thymidylide. I always mispronounce it thymidylide. There's a thing that mothers were exposed to at one point.
Thalidomide.
Thalidomide, there you go. Thalidomide, I can never say that right. Thymidylide, what she said. Caused babies to be, when moms were exposed to it, were born with paddle-shaped limbs, so the limbs are not fully developed properly. But yeah, that's the idea of umbilical cord. So that's that. And this is the chick. Chick developing. So notice the head's curved down around it. That tends to throw people off. But I might, again, anatomy is important to learn in cross-section anymore. So there's certain main features. I might pull one of these out and ask you to identify some of those features. So for instance, I could I'll pull out this one. And here you've got brain, eyes. What should that be?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord, yep. Because again, this is probably the break between the head and the neck. So where the two of them are coming apart. That's probably esophagus, part of the stomach.
So
no, that can't be stomach yet, can it? No, that's probably lungs. You're getting into your lungs there. These would be upper parts. Well, that's just between the head and the...
Okay, so that you expect.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep. You know, it's a little confusing there. And we'll work our way down a little further. We should have heart, lungs, esophagus. Yeah, spinal cord. Yep. Heart, lungs. And we work our way down a little further. Okay, this looks messy, doesn't it? That should be kidneys, probably the dorsal aorta or abdominal aorta, spinal cord. It's probably vena cava. There's be different blood vessels in there, in the in the kidneys.
What's the little spaces there at the bottom? Like this one?
Yeah.
What is it? Can I see it?
Got me. Those might be actually loops of intestine, but to be honest, I'm not sure. I'd go with loops of intestine. That I'm not going to ask you. Kidney, that, maybe even the blood vessels, but not that. And we get further down, we should see some of the same structures with the kidneys. Kidneys are much larger embryologically. And then, yeah, that's probably the dorsal aorta, or abdominal aorta.